Okay. Well, there is something a lot of people are saying about our deputy, as our deputy senate president, former deputy president Ike Kolomadu. You know, it's true that we Igbos we love that man. He's one of our best. But one thing is that this man is not even showing himself the way he's supposed to show himself because they're afraid of the northerners, the Fulanis. You know, it's true that that man is trying to speak sometime. He's not the one they plan to disgrace in German. It's Nyamudu, but to be sincere, he deserves it because when the Python dance came to Nnamdi Kanu's hometown, they kill a lot of people. Every time they are killing our brothers and sisters in Nigeria. Because of them, we ran away because we cannot stay in Nigeria. And they doesn't want to do anything. They doesn't want to talk. It's very, very bad. You understand me? So people say that nobody can harm them in Europe. Well, I'm laughing at them because those people that are saying that they are just a coward. They are just coward because you don't know the life they live in Europe. Nobody have their time. Do you think that they have that power they have in Nigeria? No, it's not possible. They are ordinary people like us. Let me tell you something you don't know about Europe. The Europeans, they know what is going on and they are very, very happy because of what is happening. If you see the kind of atrocity, if you see the kind of crime the black people are committing there, just because they want to survive, especially we Nigerians, because it's not easy in Europe. But Europe is manageable. You can manage in Europe. You can stay there. We have a lot of things, but due to the stupid, hopeless leaders we have, this is just the beginning because the Igbo leaders, they don't want to talk. You understand me? Even if you don't support the movement of Biafra, you have to say something that is reasonable. They are killing your people. You don't want to talk. They are talking about Ruga settlement. The state will give them land. How can a state give them land? But if we go their own place, we bought the land with our money. And they were telling us to give them land. You see, it's not good. One thing with our leaders is because they were thinking that when they talk, nobody can intervene. Do you know why people follow Nnamdi Kanu? It's not that he has that power in Igbo land. But we Igbos, we don't have king. We believe in our own. It's because of the situation of Nigeria. If the government, the governors are doing what they're supposed to do, Nnamdi Kanu is nobody. Nobody will even follow him. But it's because they have made a lot of people useless. That is why we Igbos, we are fighting against them. Do you know how many people died in Mediterranean Sea? I've witnessed Libya. I've been in Libya, once in Libya. I've witnessed what is happening there. You understand me? Many people survive today. You don't know how they survive. Some people think that, hey, my boy, my son is in our blood. My brother, many of them has gone. It's not easy. We are taking that kind of risk. They're saying that there's no money. They are trying their best. No, let me tell you something. What do you mean that you are trying your best? Do you know how many $billions Nigeria is making every day? And the Northerners, the Fulanis are taking the money. And you don't want to talk anything. You're just serving them so that you can be a vice president, you can be this, you can be that, you can be minister. Look at Locha Sotolocha was building mosques in Imo State. How many Muslim leaders, Muslim governors in North has stand up one day and say, let me go and build church? See, let me tell you something. This thing we are doing is because we don't know history. If you know the history, you will know that during the time of erosion, we Igbos will try our best to bring the nation together. But these people doesn't like us. You cannot bring water and oil. You cannot mix them. No matter what you want to do, there must be scanty eccentricity. Not even scanty. There must be innumerable eccentricity. Because in my own sagacity, there is no viability that can bring unity between humility and civility. You understand me? So we Igbos, we have to think like human beings. A lot of people were just doing this rubbish because we live in Nigeria. When they give us 5,000 naira, we go and vote. We think that that thing we are doing is money. My friend, you are doing rubbish. You come to Europe, you know that you are just wasting your time. We are just doing rubbish. We have to stand up, rise. Don't even follow these leaders. Fuck these leaders. How much they give you? They open just ordinary borehole. People are crapping for them. Borehole. How much is borehole? It's not even up to 1 million naira. Just a little money. It's not even up to $2,000. Just a little money. And we're crapping for them. My friend, you have to be wise. Support your people. Even if you don't support the agitation movement of Biafra, you have to support your people. Talk. Shout. These people are just destroying people. The way our people is running everywhere. If you see what we Nigerians, the Igbos, were suffering all over the world, my friend, you will believe. You have to believe. Because this kind of thing we are suffering in Nigeria is not good. All these our governors, fuck all of them. I don't care who motherfucker they are. I only respect one senator, Abaribe. Not only that he's talking for the IPOB, but he's talking for the right of Ndi Igbo. He's a man that can stand and say, this thing is not good, nothing will happen to him. Maybe these people think that we are joking. You understand me? Don't mind them. They say to say this, they can't do anything, they can't do anything. Forget these people. My friend, try. If you try, you see, you collect. If you try, you collect. You understand me? If you try, you collect. You're not even joking. These people have destroyed the economy, destroyed everything in Nigeria. When I watched my former governor, Chris Ngige, he was saying that now the economy is good because the before dollar is 150, now it's 300, and the people that live in Europe, they have been making too much money. What a useless talk is that? Yes, it's true, we're making money by that way, but it's not good. It's not necessary to hear. It's rubbish. There is rubbish. So my friend, be careful, think to wise, think like a wise man, okay?